Do I need to remove anything from the room? Okay, I'm sure that this question was talking about me coming out to paint. I paint in the dark. I can usually see fairly well once my eyes adapt to the dark because I charge up the paint that I'm painting with, and it's kind of like a little flashlight, so I can see. But it would still be nice to have a place to walk around easily. So if it's possible, to remove furniture that's not super heavy. That's always nice. I would say remove any valuables. I'm not a thief, but I don't want to knock anything over and break it just because it was hard to see. So pictures on the wall, if those can come down easily, yeah, take those off. I'll cover them otherwise, but just make it easy for me to move around and get a ladder around in the room. So if something's easy to move out, yeah, please move it out.